stress out, you know.
Man, you see, can't complain with my life right now. Marriage life is the greatest thing, brother. Greatest thing. Yo, I have my wife and me have me. She pregnant now, you know?
What?
She pregnant now. And she's about to have, you know, because it's her third child. So, you know, we're just happy, you know what I mean? And there's nothing right now can make me sad. Because I'm not going to go out of my way and do nothing or cause or compromise the relationship in any way. That's how me do it. You know what I mean? That's how me stay. That's my too hard though, but that's how me live my life. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, you know? So what going with you though? Of your life?
Boy, I'm glad she is still, but I tell you the truth in my general. Me no believe in the marriage thing, you know. Them they sitting there rope in an aisle. I wonder if you understand what I mean. Quick. I don't believe in that. So, me happy for you still, but my life right now come like a rough sea. If you can't swim down, go there. So I saw my life set up right now. But I'm glad for you still married and I get a youth. Wish me now promise to say me they go married, you know.
Brother, what kind of careless life you are going with? Me know you know them something, brother. You have to be married, second long, and have a, you know what I mean, a respectable life for the most high. You don't know the things that you know. You know what I mean? 1 second. Hello?
Public. Wagwan. I want to talk to you about something really important.
Yeah? Hold on, I call him. I go call her, but just give me 5 seconds. I call her.
Wait, no. Alright, make sure you call me back, you know. Me I wait for you. Alright.
Yo, as a matter of fact, see the thing I always say you want, brother. Nah, waste of time. So we talk, yeah? Some manners and respect and big up yourself. So link me up if I nothing come home and we reason. Yes, sir?
See?
Because you don't know a thing said, you know?
It's what I try to show you. You see what I tell you? Me just tell you about the married thing. And then I see you mash up friendship. You use, where 190 then there? A 6 grand they beg you. And you look for me and give me 6 bills to do what? This can't even buy tissue on my yard. Yo, you must have a nice life, you know. You're married life. And one more thing. You see, the rope and aisle business not reaching a hit.
I'm alright, yes. I don't know what time of strike, 4 o'clock. I think I money go up on tree. I call my girl and find out what she do. Because I don't understand what kind of phone call this. Nah, man, you shouldn't call me them time. I'm so
Wagwan.
Rapunzel. What's the...
I'm pregnant.
What you say?
Yes, I'm pregnant.
What do you mean you're pregnant? Okay, so, well, congratulations because at the end of the day, you must know we what? Me? No, don't do that.
And you only want me do it raw with, you know?
I don't understand that one then. If you do what? Which part you there right now? Tell me this. I see them both there around that corner there. Down in that lane there. Alright, tie the dog them. Make sure the dog them tie. Because I can't bother if you get no more dog bite again. Tie the dog them.
The dog them tie up. Alright, hurry up and come.
Yes. Run her back. Alright, I'm coming up. Tie the dog them. Alright.
Hold on there. Even know me didn't hear good. Can't be say Rapunzel or say Pum Pum, say boy I come to. Watch him. And that boy have a perfect married life. Think me a fool that him in a hear device on the phone, they have a fuss here. All of that, man. Perfect marriage, yeah, man.
Yeah, she tied out them. Rapunzel. What going on?
Tell her already so I'm pregnant.
But you don't look pregnant.
So what this?
No food you just eat a while ago.
No, I don't name no food. That's how my belly big. Since
Exactly.
baby I
I say,
grow.
since make up your mind what you talk about.
The baby I grow.
Baby
So
I
that's
grow.
why my belly big so.
So how much months this now?
3.
3 months.
Mm-hmm.
So what make you say that for me?
Cause I ain't only one I do it without nothing. We just go natural.
Rapunzel, remember what you do for a living.
That not say, but you know, so me not take chance with anybody. Me always make them put on their rubber. But me not make you put on a rubber. That's why me not say I feel.
You sure?
Yes.
You know, so this like gonna jeopardize everything now. You sure you want to keep it?
Yeah, I wanna can raise the baby together.
No, we can't raise it together.
Why?
I already have what I have in my yard.
So I know me tell her if breed me.
Rapunzel, you know, can't believe you put me in that situation. Alright, you are going. We have to go find a plan because, but you can't, I can't marry you.
So me and who then?
We have to find a plan. So just think about it, man.
Me not think about it, make up my mind already.
If you want me to write you a check.
No, I want you in my life. I want me to raise the baby together.
Rapunzel, nobody with that something there.
Yeah, I want me to raise the baby together so can be a family.
Rapunzel, come on Rapunzel, put a sock in it, man. Rough.
He said, put your sock in it, what the fuck?
We're gonna take it from General. You just not film at the bottom. See ya. Hey V, what you pray?
Boy, this girl not easy at all. If I really tell somebody this, they never believe me. No, sir.
Yo, my general, is there a piece of paper here? Yeah. I don't care about it, I don't get it done in there, you see me?
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
So, deal with it, you know?
Yeah. Deal with it.
Just relax yourself, my man. I don't kill all things already. You don't need to force yourself. Relax, man.
Alright, don't do that. Anyways, I have a party. I want to invite you. So it's on the 12th of August and it's a breakfast party. It starts at 7 a.m. until night. Yeah, come or you not come?
Yeah, man. When we come, we don't know, sir. We don't plan to stay too long and I'm just a command us. Buy one drink and eat a food and cut. Party vibes and thing. Plus, man just get shut up a party the other day and something. So, I think about them things. You see me?
I'm no business about that. More if I come, I'm a party. I need the support. I'm no business about Andrew Oldness and I need you to stay. A lot of parties keeping and I need some money.
Alright, know yourself, man. Never forward. But if you ain't charge me 80,000 or the dollar.
So far, man. You give me a call.
You ain't here.
So far, man, no one I do on us. Are you going to check anyway this one tonight?
Sure, but you know. Let me come, alright?
Oh.
Yeah, man. So, Papa, you see I go on now?
You know, since I go in my book. And kind of get a look at one piece, you know. I just feel emotion and love it, be, but
Yo, Papa.
shocking.
Look how you finish telling me that story. You know, take that call as in, so just go and hold him, man, Zin.
Little girl, come here. Can I do something for me? Can I do something for me, please? You know the brown girl from the south? Bully shot, the little brown shot girl, you know her?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to hear this for me, here. Hear this for me, here. Thanks.
Little girl. Come and see people. I will give it.
The man up there, so give me.
I brown girl over there, so bullish. She ain't give a figure.
Yeah.
Alright. They'll keep you can go on. Are you going to send in the little girl and send me that piece of paper?
Yeah, make her. Make her figure somebody down this up. But how you come by?
Don't worry about that. You know, say girl no want you. You know how long me see her right later send go by here. I mean never see girl make an attempt to come contact you or anything. You know say girl no want you.
Kira, you left all the way from down so. Down there so. Come up here so. Why can't you allow my business alone? Eh? Give me my paper, give me my paper, give me my paper.
Okay.
I'm going with you.
As a matter of fact, there's only two people them down there so when they keep the party, the man and the woman. And the same browning where you fish off. You know, so the man where keep the party and him have the browning. And the man having woman in and the browning, no. By the way, if you don't believe me, you can't come. Stop look people who don't want you and look who want you.
Yo, Papa, come here. Give me 2 grand, brother.
You can't believe it's really the 2 grand. You really are lay wait me for. I said we come down.
Mission to go deal with the number now.
You're not good for borrow. You're not really good for borrow.
Hey, look what I'm this up.
Uncle Papa and me done better look on. Him and man in an argument over 2,000. You know?
That's why your grandma can't agree and mind people business too much.
Stop it nice. No bother with grandma thing. You know, the girl when you're bullish,
Yeah, if you don't go well, you right on this up.
yeah. And I decided they quarrel. And I know 2,000 they quarrel over. Papa and the brown girl, nothing that the man want the brown girl. Them a come.
Everything good, man. You're not good for borrow.
Massa girl. Girl, big bad party I keep a suave. Yes, oh, I keep the party friend. Girl, me say, I reach here Everly big bad yellow party. Breakfast party at that. That's the thing now. change for you for borrow because I want to go support her, but I don't have a cash already there, so I don't know if you can help me with that little change.
Don't worry yourself about the money. They can give you money. I'm me a Richie side chick.
What you say?
Yes, girl. I Richie buy this a bus give me. Me I go pick you up and we go to a party.
Alright, my friend.
You don't know what go on, man. Don't worry about the money. Me I go come pick you up and we go to a party. Me have a whole heap of things to tell you. A lot of things we have to talk about.
Talk to me nice.
I say one fire, I mean man and moving and thing, living.
I mean, fire just left. I mean to see a long time man the girl the man. I was say I go down the door. Now go down there.
But take back your man and let me get back me woman.
You see all them swearing on them Bibles no work. You have to come and work, do your hours them and go work at your yard.
So about the soup then, I tell about the soup. Anytime the soup then come around, the people them run up and down, I wonder why.
Soup. The man they can't, when they say man they ask if you jump, just ask how high. You may tell you? Because the man they them get the orders. As a matter of fact, you just get the order from the soup. Because the man they get the orders from Andrew. Anybody this Andrew if you lock them up. You could have hear Andrew. You're supposed to reach to feel them. You see me? You don't worry about thief and criminal and this. A waste of time that. We get more money if we go for people with this Andrew. Anybody hear this Andrew one? Carry me in. If you don't have to carry me in, you plan something funny. You see me I say? Anybody you just want to know say one thing is Andrew.
And you know some here saying say anywhere you win again, everybody in the house I get one clocks. You see all iPhone 13, 14, something like that.
Like we're not getting no call now, just go on now, my business. So if we can't get to sleep.
Alright, Hello, this is Ringo Redgrung Police Station. Hello, officer. Hello. How may I help you?
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know, say Angela come and I'm going to take my money. And please, me after I can come, I can give me back my money.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, I will need some information from you. I will need your address and your name, please.
What does that have to do with my money with anything?
Ma'am, I need to know your address so I can come. So tell me your address and your name.
Okay. Negril.
Alright, so Negril Bottom Row. What's your name? I didn't hear you.
Let me talk to her. Hello, Susie?
Hello.
Detective Red Boot here. We don't have any gas in our vehicle.
If I did Andrew, would have find you.
You know, we have special treatment for Andrew. Where he's a king. He's a king.
What is prince? Which king?
He's a bro god.
So about me.
We don't value you.
We have blood run through your body like we have blood run through your body.
He's a special kind.
What?
He's a special kind. He's a bro god.
Yeah, Andrew goes up my big.
Just tell her to come and
Come on, this is code red. We know of a friend, yeah.
Shadi, look at man everybody work with us something there now. Cause I don't know how it tight so. In Shadi, how are you putting that? A crazy girl putting that? A girl like you. In Shadi, how are you putting that? You good though?
Yeah man, me just like how you take care of my body.
Ex-man.
Yeah, that the mad girl, yeah. My girl, the man don't want you.
Yo, me take a restraint order up on a girl already, you know. Come out of me out.
Hey, come out of that.
Yo, how would that? Girl, come out. Wait, see black?
Hey.
No, this is serious. Yo, Shadi, give me phone there. Give me phone there.
You be call the police. Make you handle this, I swear.
Yo, girl, go put on that something there. Mister, go put it down. Mama, me left, mama, go put it down.
Hello? Red Boots Police Station?
Officer, you know. Ex-girlfriend that me had right now. And he have a gun and he have a knife. She be here moving a new girl in my house and now she want to kill me because of that.
Verify address for me, no?
Yeah, on the hillside me live, yeah. Third house. Yeah, she kick off the door there after up and come now. What you say? No, on the White House, man. Yo, you know no girl, me take question out all about fire attack, you know, man. Me just take question out that man over there. What mean say you don't know? Yes, I be said one man. No time you come out here, man, when she beat me up. What?
So you know how much shot is in the gun?
Let me say, what kind of gun? I don't know what kind of gun. I'm going to ask you what kind of gun. I'm going to bullet in that gun. Let me say, what kind of bullet? Hey, yo, don't jab, you know. When I laugh on station for.
Okay, but I'm sorry we don't have any vehicle now, you know. We don't have any vehicle, no vehicles here. Vehicle.
Oh, you know what? You know no vehicle. Oh no, never no vehicle in emergency yet. Yo.
Alright.
Yeah, everything good, everything good, myself. Everything good. Charlie, come here, turn up if she kick off the door, turn up there. If she fire one shot, go down low. You hear me say? If she kick the door off, you still turn up and go down low if you fire the shot. You have an idea? Do a video. Can you do the video them Andrew then find a quick? Yo, Andrew, me nah go nowhere. You couldn't look at the time. Early time I was mama. What am I right now? Dirty boy. Idiot. This a better. You can still out there, knock still out there. Aren't there? Yo!
My girl, go on here, yeah. The man don't want you. What do you man go on here, yeah?
Yo! Look what going on social media. Somebody this broker again. Yo! I'm sharing.
Yes, Red Boot Police Station. Say what? Call Andrew. I'm coming. Call Andrew name. Can't call my boss name. Yeah? Yo, officer. You're under arrest for the illegal use of the word Anjo and for dissing bro God.
So yo, hear me answer now?
Yeah, daddy. Yo, me calling a while ago. And me calling and telling say my girlfriend, ex-woman out at the door, you know. Yo, police, and me just calling a while ago, you know. Only say no drive and not down there, you know. Forward, you know. And me tell you my ex-girlfriend out at the door with gun and kick off the door, you know. So if I wash it there, best you not pass her with the gun and everything. That killer when she kill me then. Yes man, and me just calling a while ago, general. You understand me? I say, so if me never say Anjo name, uno come and make she get wet. You know what I mean? This have go up on CVM and JBC Sir?
and TVJ.
I'm unable to tell you that from the said word Anjo. It's my duty to find you anywhere he is, anywhere you are, and lock you up. I don't care about no gunman, no gunwoman, or nothing else. Just the word Anjo. Don't you dare use that word again.
Alright, tell Anjo, sorry boss. Tell Mr. Anjo, your boss said, I apologize for using name, but I only way to save my life because when the name come, if you hear say gunman there, but as me say Anjo, before me could say wholeness, you kick off the door next. Everything good.
Why you do that?
So I do that.
Why you turn off the TV?
You know what? The vibes are gone. We do you enjoy yourself and watch a movie. The movie done, you know? So we want to watch one more movie? I don't understand where you're pan, but me tell you something. Right now, perfect time for me to do a thing. Listen, we do a thing.
Which thing? Right now, I'm in that with you. You see me and watch the TV, you turn it off. Two you want to do thing. What kind of thing? Don't you want to condone me out? It not work. You know from when me ask if you buy me the perfume I know you can't buy give me. Yeah man, think. You don't know the Juke perfume when me always buy, he finish and me beg you buy one and you don't buy it online. Everything good. So, but you want one bought thing.
So I have to buy perfume to get the thing? No sir.
You don't have to buy perfume to get nothing. But a long time me ask your feet and you don't give it to me. Now you can ask me for thing. What kind of thing? Me have nothing I give to you.
For yourself. You want a dupe? Me have the loop for you. I have it. You know that already. I just become me at work. I'm a little bit busy. Come on, look on you. I'll take care of you, know. Anything you want, you don't know the thing already. You know what I mean? What you may say? Good thing, man. Good thing, started or something.
Don't touch me.
Nothing.
I go fix up myself. You alright?
I wonder if I can. Wonder what I can do. If I make shit do the things them what I want. What I can do? I have to think about something now, you know. I have to make a plan. Babe. You know, say, I have something to talk to you about. But I never know how to say it to you. I tell you, because a long time I want to say it to you, you know. Because, I don't know how you take it. Because, guess what now? I don't feel good and I go to the doctor and get a checkup. Because, I don't feel good. I have to go check up myself because since I'm late, I'm not 100% right now, I tell you. You know, I never know how to tell you and make you understand because I don't want to sound like I'm a weak man. You know what I mean? Weak.
What do you mean you have to go to the doctor? I want to you. Babe, I hope you not hide nothing from me, you know. You know you can't tell me anything. Why you want to go to the doctor?
See, I'm not 100 and I'm not talk about no diarrhea or no belly ache or no headache. I just not feel, you know, I feel 100. You know when you know yourself, man. You know what I mean?
You can't talk to me, you know. You can't talk to me. Just tell you know say me and you is body like that.
You know what? I'm gonna get a checkup right now because it's serious, you know? It's serious. I don't want doctor open 24/7 down in the town. So I'm gonna check them and them available at this time, man. You understand? But I check.
You want me to follow you, go, doctor?
I don't want to stress you like that. I go and then get every information and I keep you posted. You know, just take it easy. Because it's rough for me, you know. I don't want it rough for you.
Listen.
Yeah?
I will follow you, go, doctor. Anything happen to you, you need to make me know.
Alright, no reason, man. I go. No matter if I'm going right now.
No, I want to follow you. I want to follow you.
I know you want to follow me. I know you're that kind of
Because I just want to make sure you're alright.
No, but as you said, don't worry yourself. I'll go get every information at my reach, make a know, and you know what I mean? Make people posted, don't worry yourself. So now I'll go and follow. Yeah?
Alright then.
Alright.
Alright. Let him come. Hello, good night.
Yo.
Oh, you know, see me are working, man. What you expect for that? Get the office.
If a situation, but I come check you. Yeah?
A situation? Okay. Alright, check my office right now.
You sure you can? Yeah, alright. You're available, right? Me I come check you right now, brother. For a situation, I have to come talk to you right now. Alright, go.
I wonder if he alright. All my head hurt me. I have to go take this. I hope everything alright with him.
What is it?
Me, man. Me, public, yo.
Oh, come in, Mr. Public.
General. How things?
Yeah, man. Life is great, man.
Brother,
yeah, man.
just can't depend on you, eh?
Can never make our money off of you.
What I see, the kind of one I had, boy. Yo, you are going now. You have a situation, see? A situation. You see? My woman in my yard, it's like, she don't want to do the things, and brother. And for your things, and what she do is like, you know, she feel like lie down on back and all these things is it. But when I feel say she understands that there's more to the situation. So guess what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna try to draw out the, you know, draw her out in a different way, because she love me still, you know. So I'm gonna do is more of a write one prescription, write something say, me have 6 months to live and me go dead in that 6 months. You understand? So me go try to use that and see if me can spice up the relationship. I'm not now going brother. Me not say a straight freaky thing. No, I'm not upon that like that. And but the friend when I want a threesome go on still, cause I never get that before. You know what I mean? So you hear me?
You know what? You see, every time you always come check me now, I never make $1, but you know, tonight is the night I have to make $1, because my paper don't come for free now. But 6 months too long for your wife to give you what you want. I'm going to write a paper for 3 months. And you get, but you the man, you must done with that freaky stuff. You don't done with it. You have too much on your plate, man. You're taking up too much. I'm going to write you the paper, but it's going to be a big cash, you know. I never make $1 for I know you.
Money there, man. Money there, man. Me I give you half tonight. Yeah? And then me start you. Okay, you know, so we are virgin. That's far where I come from, brother. So you understand my situation, because, you see, if you were in a one situation, you know you can call me. And lie me I tell, you help you already, you know.
Stop it, nice,
you
man.
remember when me help you?
Just relax, man.
Help me. Me I pay you, but help me.
No problem. Give me what you have.
Alright, boss, respect. So me call you, yes sir?
Alright, no problem.
Boy, you saved me. Yo, you saved me, brother.
You should behave yourself, you know.
More about that.
No, on a young man don't want to behave. On a freaking is going to give on HIV.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You alright? What doctor say?
Maybe I go drink some rum or something. But I tell you, not good news. Not good news. Can't believe this. The doctor said I have 3 months to live.
What?
Yourself, man. Yourself. So when the doctor tell me that news, I say if he might give me 3 months to live, better so him dead first. But me not bother doing them foolishness there. It's instead of we there as make ourselves sad of a situation we can't fix. You know what I mean? Make we just enjoy and make the best out of the 3 months. Yeah. You understand me? I say, oh, I mean enjoy, I mean so we do the things them. You know what I mean? Make we do the things them we never do before. You understand? I know you love me, you know, and I know you want the best for me. You understand me? I say, so I'm going to ask you, what you think? You think we can have the best?
Me we do anything at all. Anything at all you want me to do, me we do it.
Anything?
Anything at all you want me to do, me we do it.
You want threesome?
Anything at all you want me to do, make we do it.
You sure?
3 months time then you're dead? Babe, you better you pray, me no want you to dead. Make anything at all you want me to do. Make me make up my mind to do it. Anything at all.
Anything, right?
Yeah.
Because I guess I know you see, I want you to do some more things, like, you know, to me. Because I always want to enjoy myself to that level. You understand? Because a long time I'll buy one little dress for you, you know. The little dress there. And the thing with the rose. And the thing in it. You know, the little sexy panty. You know what I mean? The little pretty panty. You know? So guess what now? Your best friend. Just call her and make sure you know, say, you know, more than one we have a time that she can, you know, like start all the thing for
My best friend?
Yeah.
Why you want my best friend? Let me see paper.
Let me paper yourself.
Alright then. Me go call her.
I'm just cool off if I do it for a second. Yeah? Just cool off because I tell you it's a lot. Right? I'm not going to call it this one. Yeah? Just call her. Because we want to get everything started because we don't know what boy. Yes, so kind of. Go on. So I'm going to call her here. I'm going to go out the door and go cool out. Alright? Soon come, yeah? You go work out. Sir! Sir! I need a drink, need a special. Sir!
Good night.
Good night. Think alright?
Yeah, why you beating down the shop, sir?
I guess so. Tonight is a very special night, you know. So, you know, I feel have a special drink, you know. One of them time for me. Oh, yo. So I want you to, can you send me a special? Yeah, cause, you know what I mean? I want them night that I'm going to enjoy myself. Yes, special. What you doing? Give me back. Yo, hear what? Me I pay for that thing. Where yourself? Give my key money, answer. Just give my key money. Yeah,
respect our manners.
Oh, you mean? So we do it, brother.
Yeah,
So, you know what I mean? Hey, today a special day for me, you know.
Really?
I mean, yeah.
Why you see them girl a special day, man? My girl look nice.
Girl! Amanda! Amanda! I'm me, man. Come here, man. So you going with?
So what?
Not there. Everything good?
Yeah, man.
How you going? Them a time I was there.
Don't worry yourself about that.
My God. So tell me something, Amanda. My girlfriend called you?
No, she never called me.
She for call you, man, because I guess I know. She have something to tell you. She have something to talk to you about.
What's your talk? Why? Your girl. What?
You start prepare food then?
No, I'm not the dishes on first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm hungry, you know.
But here one now.
Oh.
I don't have enough flour and support.
You don't have enough what?
Flour so you not get enough dumpling like we like.
Jeez, how can a situation that? Tonight a wrong night for that, you know. So how comes the flour so a little bit?
I never remember forgetting.
No worries, man. Let's go on the way, yeah? Because me understand the situation. I just me and you, and we hungry belly cousin now really passed through today, so we're good to go.
Alright.
Yeah?
Public!
Baby, hear that?
Public!
Bye.
Public! That sound like public, did you, man? What? Welcome myself here, man. What? What? No. Nobody eat?
Yo, what?
What me do?
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me just come from the bar. I'm frost.
You're frost? Why look like you walk with the bar?
You don't have no food around there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, sit down, man, sit down.
No, you always cook them there, man. So where your wife there?
She asleep. A late time, brother. You see, since the curfew, everybody have to go to bed early. You know what I say right now? We don't have no choice. Cause I guess I know, we almost stop down at a restaurant to buy some food because we never plan to cook. Me never plan to cook. So it's like say, you know, we have to just go to bed.
Listen to me. Curfew is no curfew when you're at your yard. So if you tell me you want to look food around there, oh, you have curfew in your yard, and on your yard you're there.
Hey, lower your voice before my wife wake up and start curse you. You know what I mean? But guess what you have to go do? You have to go find something to eat around so you know, or something, but nothing not going on so. I can't guarantee you that. You know what I mean?
I don't wake up your wife. I don't wake up your...
Oh.
You don't smell that?
No, I'm not smell that.
Whoosh!
I'm not
No,
smell that.
man, I smell food, man.
No, man, you are going now. I know food, you smell. Sit down, man. Sit down, take your time. Sit down, man. Just relax, man. Me don't know, maybe a KFC smell wrong so car breeze a blow heavy and thing.
Me know KFC smell. You have to tell them all that life for 3 hours before you get a piece of chicken and you tell me that KFC. No, man, come on.
Don't worry yourself, man. Hear what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if I the neighbor and see what I got. Here, don't go first, man. Everything good.
Hurry up now, come on, piece of chicken hungry and back me, man.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. See? I check and forward back. Hey, man, I smell the food from out there, so me not share no food tonight. You hear me say, help me window them, lucky pot them, don't make a sense come out of the pot. Help me do, as a matter of fact, help me window them, make it blow over neighbor yard. Help me them. So, step aside. I come and get you.
Yes. You don't want me there.
Fast, come on, I want to go. Yes, help me do if I saw the case. What me do with them? What me do? Yeah, like you see so. I soon come here. After making go. Yo, you still there?
If me still there, if you know me hungry.
Go over look more, go over look more. Here we are going. Me have bad news to tell my brother.
What happened now?
I know the neighbor will like me. I cook. So, them a cook, but you can't get none. Your dog knows I work for truth. Food I cook man that year, you can smell the atmosphere. You know what I mean? But I'm sorry for you, I don't know how you work it out. You have to go just, you know, go and go eat piece of bull or something, you know.
Listen up. Your neighbor mind not talking. But maybe if me go over there go beg them, so I just pass through your house and go talk to them. And them not talk. But me and them agree. Just let me pass through this, please. I'm going to go talk to them.
Hold on. I know so this thing work. Me tell you already. Say me woman in there asleep. I mean I want she wake up and come cuss you. Cause and then me know if when time come and time get cold, me can't go touch her. Cause she go vex with me. You understand? And you know say in a them a time ya breeze a blow cold. You understand?
Papa, look how long me cooking mackerel up there and I wait upon you.
Mackerel again? Your mackerel with milk.
Milk?
Yes, go on.
As a matter of fact, you know, you better come up on near me food, you know. Me not if you done here. I put the blood. Yo, come pull the grill. Come.
Public.
Come near me food.
Public.
Come near me food.
Go on.
So babes, I really feel it right now.
Remember say tell me say I'm on a police, you know, and he worked late shift last night and he soon forward.
Oh shit, me not remember. Hey, you have to leave right now. Right now. Come, put on the shoes. Right. Already?
Wagwan. Eh? I come to lock up your VGG, you see. But anyways, it's the rent money I come to give you, because I really don't like come down here and say, you know, them little boy there, I don't want to shoot one of them, you know. But here we go, you know. I make a start out the rent, but let me lock up a little bit now.
Babes, you know, so don't want to give, but the period that come down for me. But still, I want the rent money because my rent due.
I like your lips, yeah. I really like your lips. So nobody tell me about no period. And now, make period do period business, I am on the more business. So you say?
Babes.
Listen to me now, man. I have a long day at work. I just need to put down my gun and just relax myself a little bit. And yeah, get your money, right? And just relax. So what problem?
You know the problem for relax with your babes, but
Shopkeeper, what go on?
Monday, I know.
Man, I look special now because today's a hot day to beef ball.
Kind of special one. Rum special. Or Pepsi. Rum and boom or Pepsi. What you want it?
Give me boom because why Pepsi not gonna work with the energy I need right now. Give me boom. Boom and JB.
I can't drink rum so early, man. Nice Sunday, are you?
I make a narrow escape a while ago. It's good to be alive. You know what I mean? But tell me something. You know a policeman only live down in road down there, sir? You know him?
I wish for them. And if I want to drive a parade down there, sir.
Yes, man. Him same one. But what you know about him? Which division, I made me ask you too much question, I said. Just give me special.
You can't ask me anything about him, man. A long time I live here, you know. Ask me anything when you ask me about him, man.
Alright, I'll see you, yeah?
Alright, bye.
Hold on, man. Turn up on your foot, man.
So, babes, what, man? Scan you? Scan me?
Not scan you. But I never scan you. But you just diss me, you just break me heart a while ago. Eh? You know me done at work. One something, me tell all this soup life, you come up here and you come tell me foolishness. So you can never tell me before, you never tell me say you want the money, you said you're there for your period. We could at least send the money to your account. I never have to come here, so. Eh? Who will you take me for?
I'm not growing it, babes.
Listen,
You know
listen. Right? You could have tell me from start say I see a period. Joke thing you depend man, but you're not serious business. Anyways, let go, man.
Alright, babes. Love you.
Love me. Just pay your rent.
Tell you that early, man. Me? Nah, look, no policeman, girl. No. You rough. When me see the gun, when me see my life, when me think about, no, sir. Like that.
Bomba!
Manners and respect.
Hey, you, watch yourself, you know. Policeman a ramp with them, girl, you know. Policeman a ramp with us. Be careful. Play your game, play it right. Last man, woman, if you look at policeman, woman. You hear me, boss?
Yes. Alright then. It was nice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up yourself.
As so much worse. What a good thing they go up another tree here. Oh God.
Yo, Popeye!
Yeah.
Come here now.
So you are dealing with General?
I'm not there going easy, but here we going now. It's like say, this a week here rough. Money kind of, I don't know, I'm tired for big money to go on per night. But here we go, I'm not on choice. But I don't know if you can lend me one 10 grand. And
Well, Andy, if you can say you owe me already, I wish you had even planned to pay me back first. The 10,000, the 15,000, 20,000, or the 40,000, which one? Come on, man. Every minute you borrow.
So you deal with for real, brother. Brother, a Kangal days and traffic facts and them sitting there, you know, brother, days where I come from, you know. You remember I used to let them boat figure out back in the days? In a grade 7, you remember them days? I lend them things them and I get them back, you know. And you tear them on fence because you jump over Miss Rona yard. You remember them time there? And me I come to you now because things not really as nice as now. And me I ask you a favor, I don't want to help me. Yo, you really don't want to help me? Tell me for you
Alright.
You really want to help me?
Forget then this man. But remember say enough money you owe me. I won't leave, you know. I don't like say I want to look at chump change. The money you owe me can do something, can start a business. But anyway, I have to go for your money once. I'm lend you, you know. Because we are friends. So if you can wait for me right, so I go for your money.
Alright, respect. But guess what now? Me don't want to look at hurry, so send it with Junto data. Don't get so. See?
Alright, me send you with that.
Yo, respect our manners to the boss. Thanks for always. Yo, what you say? I'm going to pay back money 15, the 10 and the 40. Because, you know what I mean, I work hard, you know. None of this can be in vain, you know. See, sir? So we actually come on. Here, boss.
That's all. You come back and you know my money for borrow again. That's all you know, full of sweet talk. And confuse people brain about borrow and then tell about next week. Next week can't come out now. Next week.
So Shelly, are we at the court date?
I'm not sure, you know. But me hear them say something about somewhere in the next week or so. And he might get released.
You know, say if you can get released, you know, you can't stay down here, you know. So what you plan for do? You must have some idea in your head.
I'm not thinking can go find me. Because I have one little place done so. Nobody know about
Shelly. Yeah, sister. I know your safety me I think about right now. Serious risk you think about, you know. Them man they will find you. And if them not find you, their friend find you. You better be careful of what you do. And you think, let me tell you something. You said that earlier. It's not who you know, you know. Who you think they know you, they know you. It's not who you know, who know you. You have to be careful how you do.
I know. No. But things sticky out here. I talk to one little man and he carry the rent come, but it's like the money short.
I'll figure out something. I have to figure out something to sort it out. Don't worry about that. See? Don't worry about that. Come on. Sis, you know sister then currently I want change?
I know say place that stay too good enough, but me work pan forget to clean up.
They want change man if you start out the place better than this. I don't like how you look. Look like you really work on things. You can't tell me nothing, you know? Because a tree come on them your hand too.
What you talk about? You think me a little bikini? Me not a little bit, you know? And as me tell you, one little man come here some of the time, you just make sure say you are protect yourself.
You go on here? Go on.
Sis, me never want to tell you, know? But me have one policeman. Me have an idea. The man they make money. Feel like so if you just come up with a plan and rob him. What do you think?
If we are going to deal with that, I have some serious money. I can't have a little bit of money I tell me about. I'm in a run joke.
What you mean, sis? We're going to do it. We'll do it for one whole heap of money. We're not do it for a little bit of nothing. But anyways, we're going to make some call.
Yo, General, you know, say, me a pre-life from a day, from what day there, seeing, and it all comes down to man and woman situation, you know. I want to understand what I say.
What you say to me? Man a veteran in that. You don't see how me roll? Me a whole leave a girl upon that. But otherwise than that, sometimes some of them man a fool. Then take up some crazy girl. Can't go out there in yard. Then can't even sleep with their eyes shut. Sometimes you know I watch.
That's true. Some man have a situation they're rough, but me, I have them problems, brother. I see my one of my yard, I have that under control. Because listen, I'm a man. Booth throw. Me that. I deal with certain things. I'm in control. You know what I mean? And when it come down to certain things, I'm gonna play around. Give me a second. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man, I watch you play them. No, I never want to close them. How about it? No, I never do that. How? I not get no home tonight. Me I come now. Man. Me I come. Alright, me soon come now.
You know, so who that did it on the phone, General?
What me know me I talk to? I'm my grandmother auntie. I'm here try to help her with one situation. So what? Me can't help out people in a situation.
But you know, I don't really say nothing too bad. I'm just concerned because I hear somebody talk about wash plate and you know, wash clothes. You know, I come down still. Well, if you say your grandmother auntie, I believe the eye still. Because I expect the eye for your woman to work more. So.
Wait, eh? What you talk about? Give me a second again. What you say?
That's some go on country there, man.
Yes, sir, you know ready?
Come see, how much got some again? Yeah.
This one come. Put in a purple plate. Yeah.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Awa.
No, man, no. Exercise, me exercise.
Yo, here we go. You have to go do road, you know, so. My grandmother auntie call me.
Alright. Forward. Alright.
So, we link up here, sir.
Yeah,
if I don't show me, I can't reason about the situation again. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes, myself.
You know, man, you know what it is. I bet you a young man that go call me now. Watch him run.
Bro, yo, you know someone reason about the situation. Yeah, man, it's a situation that go on where, you know, sometimes you have to wonder. Brother, so if you have your woman and feel her best friend kind of give her a vibe, you know what I mean? Like she has sent you a certain signal. How you don't approach it?
What you mean? Me not understand. What you mean?
The man means say, if you da ride off your woman best friend,
yeah,
that he mean.
What you mean?
You don't do it?
What you mean? What you stop me? Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them a girl in a youth. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you're gonna walk and you're gonna walk, you're the pan road, brother. Them a girl daddy, me bum youth. Them a girl you a brother.
Alright, rough. Yo, fin decision just serious. So Jota, where say I go on now? What your opinion on this situation?
See, we don't do it. Because watch it out. My woman, I not true, I love her alone, you know. I loyalty do it, man. Because what goes around, come back around like in a little circle. I not do that, brother. I just not do that thing. I tell you the truth.
Yo, you know, easy in the car. Alright, you see, me share same sentiment. I see him, so me say. Nah, I will do that, brother, because I guess I know. Me have to respect, you know, like the whole loyalty process. Because it's a process, you know. Man a dog, you know. Like back in the days when I was like maybe 15, I don't know where I go on. I might would take a chance, you know what I mean? But now I respect her, she respect me, you know.
So what you say? So what you say? So what I say? So what you say? You tell me, say, if you see your woman best friend, you won't there with him. You won't there with him. A joke you know make man. Right now, me tell you say right now some of the girl them, see some of the woman best friend them better sometimes, most of the time. Round and shape good.
Yo,
Allow me to tell you.
beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. You see if a fatty you want, and one little slim as pass through, yeah, she might have a little tight stuff, but you know what I mean? The confidence and the loyalty.
Me as a man, as a big man, me actually in order for married now. So basically, me not do no little stupidness to mash up my thing, brother. Yeah. And true again, if me do or go do something like that, I don't wheel over so better. No, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something, man. Everybody have them own freedom for free themselves. You know what I mean? That's why them say man a dog, you know, because some man really just live their life there. But some man, as a man say, mean harder to get married. Me now in the process.
So hold on there. What give you the reason for the ask with all of them questions? You're up to something, you know. You see your face, you're up to something.
No, John.
Yeah, man, you're up to something.
Sometimes when you have a bridge in them, it's the best place for talk and reason on certain things, because yo, me don't like how for me. Me don't like how for me woman, best friend, kinda, you know, she too into
something,
it.
Something for true, you know. You say one more.
Look on his face. Look on his face. Look there, look on his face.
Yeah, nah.
Yo, I wish woman. Yo.
Without fire.
Yo, I wish woman. You see your woman with your wife. Yo, we are friends now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now. You can't keep secret now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now, daddy.
Yo, hold on, man. Yo, it's like say, I'm a woman. A pansy, man. Yo, a pansy, you know. A pansy where I'm sitting. Yo, see a wife you call. Yo, pick up the selfie, man. You understand me? I say, we talk. A wife you call.
Yo, you take it easy. Take it easy.
Chop him,
Yo, you see, I come ask a question.
I chop him. I want dirty boy. No, I hear what we have to say. Chop him. I want dirty boy.
Yeah.
Yo, watch and see what I do. The most chop that's where they don't know. Can't better me see it in my face.
You don't see it in my face. You don't see badness in my face. Yeah. Take it easy.
Babe. Yeah, man. I know it's Valentine's Day, man. So you say, ready to go out? Where is the pansy today? Okay, I'll try to make sure. Alright, no problem, man. I'm on my way home right now. So the next 2 minutes I can see me. Alright? Cool, now come.
And 2 hours now. And public summer take 2 minutes to reach here.
You so come man, you don't know them still.
I wonder when they.
How come, babe? Fancy still there?
Yeah.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
So, babes. Oh, God, sorry if it takes so long, man. Sorry if it takes so long. Oh, my God.
Why it take so long? How long me wait for you? 2 hours now?
I'm gonna try to do something special, extra special for you, but you know what? Better me just carry out and just go eat some food and we just, you know what I mean, have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So,
Me your long soon I wait for you.
yeah, man, come and tell us, yo, the on the road, tired, but you drink still like fridge?
Yeah.
Get it for me, do. And then when you get the drinks, we just ready and go out. Yeah?
Alright, yeah.
Alright. Don't stay too long, you know?
Alright. You not done packet?
You so me done on man.
Okay, so leave. Alright. Yeah, come.
So public, if me had it in our relationship, would I do all them nice Valentine's things here and stuff? You get what I say? I don't really want to hear still, you know. But you get what I say?
But me no know, me no think we fi even entertaining conversation because she will chat me up, me sure about that. You know what I mean? So, but me no know.
So I ask you something. You think me attractive?
Yes, but Bob Marley when done say there say Bob Marley say one love, one heart, one at a time, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so we can share our love.
Yeah, but you know, me think about it. I decide me can.
I can go and I'm fine.
You sit down close door.
She good, man. She good. Don't worry yourself, you know, say I'm a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. She good, man. Don't worry yourself. Hey, you've been through so much today, so be stressed out, tired and all that, but you ready to go? Girl, go with me. Come on. I want to have a good night tonight. How about the eyes, man? Honey.
You have a condom?
Yeah, man. Bye. Alright, here we go. Me go shop right now, quick, and hope it doesn't lock, and me come back. I don't know why the man give me the Advil and I...
Alright. Go on fast and come back. Hurry up.
I'm coming. Babes?
Yeah.
It's sexy for me. This one coming up?
Yeah.
Don't move, yeah?
Why my herbs are bad, you know? Tell her. Herbs wicked, man.
Yeah, man, but boy, you want to try this one, yeah? Lick me chip right now, try you, may I see.
Man, you really come so? And I can't no condom. Big old Advil. I might have just call one next man too.
Serve! Oh man, can't believe. What is that? Is that a sign? What's that? Serve! Yeah man, see we up now. Yo brother, may I beg you one favor there? Nothing can go on for me in shop there tonight, please.
Boy, I know so nothing can go on for your shop lock off. Tomorrow business that now, my general man, will lock off.
What man? What my salsa man?
and skirt, yeah. Ah, see another more.
Yo, brother, your manners and respect, my boss. Oh, greetings, mommy. Greetings.
Good night, sir.
Yeah, man, my son have gone with the vibes, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, good vibes.
Yeah. Yo, I'm in one situation, brother. But I don't know how to ask and thing, you know what I mean? This is a big embarrassment because I don't really want to feel that way, you know what I mean? But, yo, come here, sir. Come here, please. Just, you know condom for you?
No, so I'm not really on family.
Bahumba, John Master. You know, so I come from that shop, but, yo, is everything good? Yeah? Manners and respect, yes, sir? Take it out. Ah. What knife in there? Someone like in there too. Oh. Oh, that man.
Don't answer.
Yo, bro.
Don't answer.
Yo, me a fall. Hold that.
Yo, bro, come in, man. Yo.
Me a come.
Yo, bro. Bro. Dog. Brother, I look like you're under the pressure, but I'm not busy with that. You have a condom, girl, let me please. Please.
Bro,
Condom.
I'm in the middle of something.
No, I'm going to make like something too.
Man,
Check.
I just used the last one, man.
Oh, man.
Man, I gotta go back. I gotta go finish this.
One day if you just raw dog.
Yo, B. Which part there now? Yeah, man. I'm 5 meters away from you, you know. I can link you right now, yeah? Yeah, man, just put on something sexy, man. Something short, too. Yo.
Yes, my boss.
What you asking me, General?
You know, sir, it's a situation I find myself in right now, late night. Yeah, man, because you're going. Yo, me buy a condom today, but guess I know, we go to the shop and things your condom then give me, Advil then give me. I mean, understand what I'm going, but tomorrow I start that out, but right now, brother, here we go. I don't know if you have a spare one, can bust me, because I'm going to mash our works right now.
Tell him, look at. Yo, I see your situation in right now.
Chop blouse and skirt. Yo, a raw dog business. Yo, brother, bless yourself, yes, sir.
Guidance, man.
Alright, cool.
Guidance.
Boy, you go on yourself, you know, in a way. But when you come here, behave like you're a big fan of jerk.
Something good now, get on, man.
I bet you I couldn't wait for you to come.
Well, I'm glad I couldn't wait. I'm really glad I couldn't wait. I think we need to do this more often, you know.